We have been studying the example 3x plus 2 is bigger than or equal to 5x minus 4. We explored it to find that the only value of x where the inequality switches which side is larger is at a value of x that the two sides are equal. Let's use this now to solve our inequality. We will start by finding the solution to the equality 3x plus 2 equals 5x minus 4. We can find this to be x equals 3. If you would like to see the steps done out, click the link now. Using the number line, we mark that the left-hand side equals the right-hand side at x equals 3. Focusing on the region x less than 3, one of two things can be true. Either the left-hand side is bigger than the right-hand side for every value of x less than 3, or the left-hand side is less than the right-hand side for every value of x less than 3. The side which is greater can't switch because it can only switch at x equals 3. So how can we figure out which of the two is true? Is the left-hand side bigger than the right-hand side, or is the left-hand side less than the right-hand side? To figure this out, we pick some value of x that's less than 3 and check. Let's try x equals 0. Using x equals 0, the left-hand side is 3 times 0 plus 2, which is just 2, while the right-hand side is 5 times 0 minus 4, which is negative 4. Since the left-hand side is bigger than the right-hand side at x equals 0, the left-hand side must be bigger than the right-hand side on the entire region x less than 3. Now focusing on the region x bigger than 3, one of the two can be true. Either the left-hand side is bigger than the right-hand side for every value of x bigger than 3, or the left-hand side is less than the right-hand side for every value of x less than 3. Again, the side which is greater can't switch, since the only place that change can happen is at x equals 3. So how do we figure out which of the two is true? Is the left-hand side larger, or is the left-hand side smaller? Again, we pick some value of x in our region. Let's try 4. With x equals 4, the left-hand side is 3 times 4 plus 2, which is 14, while the right-hand side is 5 times 4 minus 4, which is 16. Here, the right-hand side is bigger than the left-hand side. So since the left-hand side is smaller than the right-hand side at x equals 4, the left-hand side is smaller than the right-hand side on the entire region x bigger than 3. So we found that all values of x less than or equal to 3 are solutions. And we found that none of the values of x bigger than 3 are solutions. So we can conclude that the solutions to 3x plus 2 greater than or equal to 5x minus 4 are the values of x less than or equal to 3, which we can write in interval notation. It's worth pointing out that this method is more than we need to solve this problem, but it will be necessary for solving later inequalities.